Hey, what's going on, family? Today is the 5th of April, 2024. We're going to come here and talk about this article from Finbold. And you can already see at the very top of the title, it lists a disclaimer. This article is sponsored, press release, and does not constitute Finbold's editorial content. Crypto asset products involve significant risks. Do not invest unless you are prepared to lose your entire investment. For full disclaimer, please click here. So, this article titled Toncoin nearly flips Dogecoin as ton surges. Investors rally behind emerging altcoin. So which one out of these three meme coins do you think they're going to talk about? Do you think it's going to be Toncoin, Dogecoin, or this emerging altcoin that's about to emerge? Let's go through this article real quick. Toncoin, the cryptocurrency first created by Telegram and later entrusted to the open source community, is nearing a market capitalization of the original meme coin, Doge. Toncoin has seen a notable surge, rising by 7.31% and pushing its market cap to a substantial $25 billion, just $2 billion behind Dogecoin, $27.6 billion. So yeah, you have Toncoin pulling up from the rear, about to overcome the biggest meme coin outside of Shiba Inu, Doge. Meanwhile, the up-and-coming altcoin Nugget Rush has made remarkable strides, attracting investor support for the project. Nugget Rush is a community-owned game that contributes to the betterment of miners in underdeveloped countries. So I think, isn't it crazy how this article goes from Toncoin flipping Dogecoin into a Nugget Rush pre-sale? How it just goes into promoting this Nugget Rush altcoin. I think this is the cryptocurrency that this promotion on this article is talking about. Is Nugget Rush. What does that have to do with Toncoin flipping Dogecoin? What does that have to do with it? If you're going to do a promotion, why not set the whole article about that promotion? But instead, you see that Toncoin is doing a phenomenal job in this recent bull run that is about to overcome Dogecoin in terms of market cap. Then you want to insert Nugget Rush into this article because I think they know that people won't click on their article if they strictly talked about this Nugget Rush pre-sale because nobody knows nothing about it. But when you talk about Toncoin about to flip one of the biggest meme coins in the market today, which is called Doge, then you will click. And then that's when you want to insert this promotion. See, get hit to the game. You guys can see exactly how this game is being played. This article explores why investors rally behind Nugget Rush as Toncoin nearly flipped Bitcoin. This is the whole sentence right there about this article. Now, how do you feel about it? Like, are you upset that they actually pulled you in to click on this article? Because you're more interested in Toncoin. But then they want to completely sideswipe and insert this talking about Nugget Rush. Nugget Rush, gaming recognition with its NFT staking platform. So I'm not even going to go through the promotion of this pre-sale. I could care less. I clicked on this article because I was more interested in Toncoin flipping Dogecoin. So let's see if they talk about anything on this article regarding that. Toncoin experiencing a 125% massive surge over the last 30 days. After Telegram departed from the project, Toncoin, entrusted to the open source community, has recently been causing ripples in the cryptocurrency market. The recent surge in Ton's value is speculated to be fueled by rumors of Telegram's potential public offering. Now, how does that equate to Toncoin though? If the first sentence that they talked about is stating that Telegram departed from the project, is the community of Toncoin still saying that Telegram is involved? Because I don't know. You guys could drop a comment and tell the community if that's true or not. Because it doesn't substantiate this coin going up 125% in the last 30 days. If Telegram is going public, do you think the SEC is going to allow them to have this cryptocurrency called Toncoin? That could be the reason why they separated themselves from the project from the get-go. Is because Telegram has a different lane that they want to get into, which is issuing stock, kind of like Reddit. A development anticipated by influential figures in the crypto realm. Rumors of an initial public offering has been circulating for some time. How long? In March, Telegram CEO, I'm not going to pronounce those two words, disclosed to Business Insider that his company had received offers exceeding $30 billion in valuation from potential investors, but preferred a direct IPO launch. Yeah, they don't want to have the altcoin because they know that the SEC is going to be all up in their business, looking at their books, trying to say that this Toncoin that is connected to Telegram is a security. Then the SEC is going to turn around and sue Telegram. So they just want to do a straight IPO launch. Get some venture capitalists, some investors on the inside, give them a couple of stakes, give them some shares into the business, and then launch the market. Then launch the IPO. Ton has surged by 40% in the past week and an astounding 125% in the last month, propelling its market cap to a substantial $25 billion, trailing just $2 billion behind Dogecoin. So there's the chart right there. This is what a bull market looks like. Now, if it's just strictly stemmed off of the hope that Telegram is going to have a public offering on this stock, I don't know. But clearly we could tell that given the volume at the bottom of this chart, that the people are paying attention to Toncoin. So the first thing we can do is look at the trend. See, charts don't lie. Even off of this increased volatility on April the 12th and then on the 13th of April, the market still bounced off the trend. So this trend is still healthy. That's what the market is ultimately saying when you just look at the price bars for what it is. This trend is still healthy. So when you look at this on a 2-day chart, you guys can see 13 hours and 12 minutes left. We're still seeing a pretty good spread on that current 2-day bar. Here it is on the 3-day chart. This is a probable precursor of strength, and given all that volume down there at the bottom, yeah, this was an opportunity that people say, I'm gonna come in and buy some of this. And that they did, because the market came all the way down to $5, but it closed up there around $6.77. Here it is at a 5-day chart. Here it is on the weekly, real quick on the 2 weeks. I like that 2 weeks, 6 more days though. We got that indicator of strength trigger. Look at how strong this market is. We got an indicator of strength on that 2 weeks. Then another consecutive indicator of push to go up on the next 2 weeks. And we're getting a third one right now. So where's the top? Are we hitting the top into the market in Toncoin right now? Because it looked like it's just going to continue to move to the upside. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. So from this chart, we are going to create this sell zone here, okay? That simply identifies that as price attempts to hit the $7.50 point, we would expect some selling to increase there. And here is the buy zone into the market for Toncoin. We're just going to create the range and delineate to where we can see the buyers and the sellers, okay? So now, I think the market is strong. It is bullish. However, given that we are not that far away from this sell zone, I'm not going to put on a price prediction just yet, because the market may only run up to maybe like another 5% before we see an increase in selling pressure. But yeah, currently, I mean, if I had to put on a prediction as to what direction price is going to move, it's going to be higher. But my eyes is definitely fixated on that sell zone there. So I'm not going to drop a price prediction, but that would be my idea, was for the market in Toncoin to continue to be higher, or at least continue to move higher. And then from that standpoint, seeing how the market reacts at this sell zone, then we can drop another price prediction. But yeah, I'm finished. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.